Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Artlist music licensing in Final Cut Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Ensure you have the Artlist music licensing subscription active. Go to the Artlist website and log into your account. Browse through the music library to find the track you want to use. Once you've selected a track, click on the download button. Choose the desired file format for your project. Download the selected track to your computer. Return to Final Cut Pro. In your project timeline, locate the spot where you want to add the music. Drag and drop the downloaded audio file into the timeline. Adjust the audio length to fit your video if necessary. Click on the audio file to select it. In the Inspector panel, ensure the audio settings meet your project requirements. Right-click on the audio clip and select Modify. Choose Audio Components to see available options. If needed, adjust the audio levels for optimal sound. Preview the video to ensure the music aligns well with the visuals. Once satisfied, save your project. Export the final video when you're ready. You're all set to use Artlist music in your Final Cut Pro project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.